In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze meetings in HubSpot. Meetings are a crucial part of any organization, but without the right tools and insights, they can often feel unproductive or time-consuming. That's where HubSpot comes in. With its powerful tools for scheduling, tracking, and analyzing meetings, you can gain valuable insights to help streamline communication, optimize schedules, and ultimately boost productivity. Let's dive in step by step, and I'll show you exactly how to make the most of it. First, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. Now, if your browser has saved your credentials, the process might be quicker, so you can jump right in. If not, just enter your email and password to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to your home dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything inside HubSpot. From here, look for the library section and click on it. The library is where all the essential reports and tools for meeting analysis are stored. So this is the first key step in accessing the data you need. Now, inside the library, locate and click on the meeting scheduler. This tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to organize and keep track of all your meeting agendas and schedules. It's like having a personal assistant that ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Once you're in the meeting scheduler, click on the Meetings option. This is where the magic happens. In the Meetings section, you'll find a detailed list of all your scheduled, completed, pending, or upcoming meetings. This is your go-to area for reviewing everything related to your meetings. Now it's time to analyze the data. Take a close look at the meeting information available to you. Start identifying patterns such as how much time is being spent on certain types of meetings or whether specific meetings are leading to measurable outcomes. By doing this, you can uncover insights about time consumption and productivity levels. These insights are invaluable when it comes to streamlining your workflows and improving communication across your team. If you feel like the data needs refreshing or updating, don't worry. Simply go back to the meetings section and repeat the step to reload the latest information. Keeping the data current ensures you're always working with the most accurate and up-to-date details. And that's it. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively analyze meetings in HubSpot. By leveraging the tools in the platform, you can make smarter decisions, optimize schedules, and ensure your meetings are as productive as possible. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to help where I can. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.